Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video today I'm going to quickly show you how to use Visa gift card for your Vbucks. So let's get into the video. So if you want to purchase some Vbucks or using your Visa gift card, so what you can do is simply add your Visa card to this Fortnite site here. So for example, when you get to Fortnite, log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, so go to your account here. So click on your account, and then once you get to your account settings, what you're going to do now here is go to your payment management. Click on payment management on your left side menu. So under payment management here, so what you're going to do, you're going to add some funds to your wallet. So you can add some funds to your wallet by using probably a credit card. So just choose credit card and then type in your Visa card details here. So just type that in, hit on save, and then add funds using this Visa card. So once you have added funds, now you can easily purchase Vbucks using your funds in your wallet. So that's how you can use Visa gift card on for Vbucks. So I hope this information video is helpful to you. Well, I'll see you in another video. Thank you.